bedroom apartment rental with a gym. Well, there's two gyms and two pools. An outside balcony. That as you go into the apartment, you've got a kitchen. Well, a kitchenette. So it's got the sink and the kettle, toaster and microwave and fridge, freezer and rice cooker. And then inside here, you can go into the bathroom. Well, it's a shower. I will say bathroom, shower, toilet, wash hand basin, and hot running water heater. Then you got the living room with a smart TV, and the super fast Wi-Fi, and a double bedroom that overlooks the pool. It's got air condition, and same again, you're looking down onto the pool. And there's a 7-Eleven machine over there, and laundry service. You can get service wash, laundry and dry cleaning, and she'll do that for you. It's a beauty shop as well for cutting your hair. If you want to do self-service laundry, you can do it. Downstairs it's available. Hairdryer and towels, ironing board. This one you can rent per week. You can just rent it if you want Airbnb, so you can rent it for 1 week, and there's no deposit. You can just pay as you go. If you want to use it for a week or 2 weeks, just pay, and that's it. But it's a nice view. It's a nice apartment, and downstairs there's parking downstairs, and security guard in parking. It's a gated entrance, and 1 minute to cross the road and you're into the Nong Park and the UdonThani Museum. So it's really good, and it's quiet. It's nice and quiet. Okay, I'll put the link in the description for booking it on the Airbnb. But it's a good day. It's a nice place. Okay, got to do another one. I've got that's okay. So that's UdonThani apartment rental, Nong Park, weekly or fortnightly or monthly. It's up to you. If you want to stay for 2 weeks, you can stay for 2 weeks. Just pay for what you need and what you want to use.